Today, two viral foundations have entered the chat. The Natasha Denona High Glam Foundation versus the Haus Labs Triclone Foundation. Let's put them to the test. We're testing finish, wear, and pores under sunlight, giving it a 3-hour and 8-hour wear test. Let's fight nice. Radiant Self-Setting Serum Foundation, up to 18-hour wear. For $52, it's 30 milliliters, and it comes in 52 shades. Formulated with Japanese amino acid biomimetic pigments. That was a tongue twister. And actives like jasmine mother cells, white tea silver needle, and grape pomace. Antioxidant, soothing, brightening claims. Hypoallergenic and comedogenic. The Haus Labs Natural Finish, medium to buildable, 30 milliliters, 51 shades, and $49. Infused with patent-pending fermented arnica and 20-plus skincare ingredients. It includes hydrolyzed HA and squalene to help reduce redness and to defend against environmental stress. Non-comedogenic and suitable for acne-prone skin. For my non-scientists, ND is glow with discipline, and Haus Labs is skin but balanced with arnica. If you're normal, dry, or mature and want to glow without slide, the Natasha Denona High Glam Radiant Self-Setting, marketed to balance oil while staying creaseless up to 18 hours. I'm just going to work the product into my brush, and to be fair, I will do both sides the same way. We have the brush fully coated. I'll use the same technique on both sides. So with this, I'm going to pat first. Just like that. It's very light. It feels like I have nothing on my face. Also, to be fair, both are different colors. Natasha Denona High Glam on this side. And you have to wait, I believe, about 5 minutes for it to self-set. But let's get started on the Haus Labs Triclone now. If you're oily, combo, and redness prone, Haus Labs Triclone non-comedogenic fermented arnica claims targets visible redness. Natural finish resists greasing up. Doing the same thing, coating my tool. Now keep in mind, this is a darker tone. Using the same exact technique, same clean brush. Patting that in. To me, this is a lot more full coverage. Maybe I could have done less pumps. Haus Labs Triclone, Natasha Denona High Glam. And this is still setting. I feel like this is set now. Just off of first impression, this feels like I have absolutely nothing on my skin. It feels so light, like lighter than a tinted moisturizer, believe it or not. This one, I feel like has heavier coverage than the High Glam, but also, honey, I feel like you can just keep adding to this before it self-sets. I don't know, what do you guys think? What's your first impression? And I have nothing else on. No concealer, no contour. I felt a little ew, so I'm gonna give you guys a little crease test. I have pimples on my chin. Do I look so ugly doing ugly faces? I don't want to call it out too early, but I think the High Glam might be my everyday wear. What do you guys think? I wasn't going to do this, but I feel like I need to do a real wear test for you guys. Let me throw on a little bit of contour and highlight and a poudre, and I'll get back to you guys. Using the same products on both sides, let's see how the foundation holds up. I'm going to use the Anastasia contour sticks. I love these because they are on the cooler tones, and then we can use a bronzer over them. Prepping my brush. The slide was definitely there. But also this brush is like immaculate. Gorgeous. Now on the other side. If you guys see, this one blended, like the contour just blended by itself. This one striped it out. A little bit on the forehead on both sides. I really feel like the reason why it's applying so well because it is self-setting. Nose contour. My favorite part. I think I applied too much product. Done with the contour. The Too Faced Melting Bronzing Stick and Chocolate Souffle. I love the way these blend. Now doing the Haus Labs side. In honor of Natasha Denona kind of being the winner, in my opinion, we're going to use her concealer as well. This is YP5. The way I like to apply concealer is removing it from the tube, grabbing a flat brush, and really working that in. And just a little bit. Same on the other side. Let's highlight with this concealer a little bit too. Cupid's bow. My chin I will leave alone because we already set it. Going in with a concealer brush. And just pressing that in. When you do this part with the brush, you're not removing the product, you're just working it in. I will say this, that concealer sat real nice on top of that foundation. Like, I feel like the Triclone side took it in and like sucked it, slurped it in, and this one's just sitting pretty. You can even tell with the opacity of the same color. Look at that. So I would say you would need less concealer on this side. Going over it one time with my bronzer. Using the Natasha Denona High Blush in Simply Shy, picking up on it with a brush. That's such a pretty color. Following that on the other side. I'm realizing something, and I don't know if this has like a fair advantage, but the way the Natasha Denona, all the products are layering on top of each other, I should have just used Haus Labs on this side and Natasha Denona on this side to be fair, but life's not fair, I guess. Comment down below if you guys want me to do a video doing that. And I'm gonna set how I usually set my face. The Laura Mercier setting powder in translucent, just a tiny bit on a powder puff. Really working that in. Very lightly. Now on the other side, same powder. Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom. A tiny bit. A little baby bakey bake. Doing that on the other side as well. Going down the bridge of my nose with the bake to set it. And a little bit of that in the center of my forehead. Just to take that glow down using the clean side of it. I'm just gonna press that in a little bit. Before I do my lip, one observation I just made is that since the Natasha Denona High Glam is self-setting, I feel like I've put less product on this side and it's just sitting on top of the foundation where it's like shielded out. And the Triclone side is definitely absorbing the makeup more. If you guys pay attention, even the bake on this side, which was less than this side, is just sitting on top. It's kind of just like shielded with the High Glam. Versus this one, the makeup is absorbing and looks a little bit wet still. Now I'm just gonna dust off that bake. That's what it looks like. Shiza. This is a hard one. Let's see how this wears with a set. Just gonna set with the Milk Hydro Grip just because I feel like this breaks down powders really pretty and gives you a very dewy, beautiful look. Let's let that dry. And now let's lock in both foundations with the One Size On Till Dawn. You guys, I really can't decide. I was so sure I was going to pick the High Glam over the Triclone, but the Triclone said, wait a minute, what is that viral sound like? It goes like either listen to me, or like, wait a second. It's like a guy that they're about to throw off a ledge or something like that. Comment down below. My ADHD is not ADHDing right now.
Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something.
But I truly can't decide. Just like this, I really can't decide. I'm going to be 100% with you guys. Let's give it a couple hours and I'm going to check back in with you guys throughout my day.
This is what it looks like after 2 hours. Okay, this is a High Glam that tried on. We get really up and close. We're going to get real close and personal right now. I filmed this tutorial, High Glam against Triclone, at 12. And it's 6 p.m. now. And let me tell you something. It is hot out in LA. So this is what it looks like. This side less than this side. You guys, I really can't decide. I honestly thought in the beginning of the tutorial I was gung-ho about the High Glam. But is Triclone really that girl? Both are a necessity in my excessive world. Alright, I need to go home and binge watch on some Let's Day. Get out of my car.
Let me tell you something. I don't know which one I like more. I'm gonna keep it real. They kind of look similar to me, but they held up well. They really did. I don't know. I guess this one's up to you guys. Comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know if you guys like videos like this one where we put things in a battlefield against one another.